We are watching the potential for very large hail and damaging winds with storms that pop up across the region as we go through your Tuesday afternoon and evening, with a slight risk that's threat level 2 of 5 in place for areas like Douglas down towards Cheyenne, Scottsbluff, and Rapid City as well. In Casper, we are under a marginal threat that's threat level 1 of 5, still watching that severe storm threat as well. So again, strong storms Tuesday afternoon and evening, hail maybe over 2 inches in diameter. As we go a little later into the event, damaging winds become more of a primary concern. A few more storms that could be on the strong side as we head into your Wednesday as well, before we get past those storms and see sunnier weather for the second half of the week and a warm up, as well as highs climb into the 90s late this week and into at least the first part of your weekend. Putting your forecast into motion as we go throughout your day on Tuesday, watch as these storms bubble up across the region Tuesday afternoon and evening. These are the storms capable of large hail and damaging winds, quickly moving off though to our north and east, and we should see a dry start to your Wednesday before potentially another round of some stronger storms across the region. A marginal threat of severe weather in place. Again, hail and wind would be the main threats with any of those severe storms. If you end up under one of those downpours, you could easily see 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain as we head through the next couple of days. This rainfall forecast pretty much takes into account both rounds of rain that we will see over the next couple of days. On your Tuesday morning, we will start off in the 40s and 50s across the region, including 50 in Casper, but we're starting off at 28 Tuesday morning in Yellowstone before we climb quickly into the 70s, upper 70s by noon, and into the 80s into the afternoon hours as we watch those storms start to bubble up across the region. A high of 82 expected on Tuesday, which is right around average, watching the potential of those strong afternoon storms across the region. 70s and 80s expected for highs on your Tuesday. As we look statewide, we'll be at 68 for a high, with a few storms up in Yellowstone. I do also want to mention that we do have an elevated fire danger to the south and west of Casper as we head throughout your Tuesday afternoon. Gusty winds, low humidity values would allow any fires to quickly spread across the region. Looking at highs the next few days, again, we're right around average on your Tuesday and Wednesday, but we quickly climb into the 90s as we head towards the end of the week. A high of 93 expected on Friday, 91 on Saturday, and 85 on Sunday as we take a look at your all-important weekend outlook. I know many of you are already thinking about the weekend. Mainly sunny skies, not a weather problem besides the warmer weather, especially on Saturday, expected as we head through the weekend. But again, keep an eye on those strong afternoon storms here on your Tuesday.